Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a Pavlova cake. It's a delicate meringue with a crumbly texture, tender, melt in your mouth, soft inside and crispy outside. This cake requires few ingredients and is quite simple to make. Make sure all utensils and kitchenware are perfectly clean and degreased. It's also important not to let even a drop of yolk into the egg whites. Separate the whites from the yolks and place them in the mixer bowl. Start beating the whites at low speed to saturate the mass with air. When foam appears, increase the speed. Add a pinch of salt before beating. Add the powdered sugar in 3 stages. Beat until stiff peaks form. Add starch and lemon juice to the whites. Mix thoroughly and spread onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Shape the base as shown in the video, keeping in mind it will expand slightly during baking. Bake in a preheated oven, then leave for 2 to 3 hours in the closed oven. It's important not to open the oven while baking, or the cake will settle. Very carefully separate the meringue from the parchment. Now let's prepare the cream. I'm using cream cheese, recipe in my previous video, but this is optional. You can make a lighter version with just cream and powdered sugar. Spread the cream on the meringue and decorate with berries. I'm using raspberries and blueberries, but any berries will work. The cake can be prepared in advance and stored at room temperature in an airtight container. It may become soggy in the refrigerator, so it's better to spread the cream and decorate with berries before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time, friends. Bye.